Hi, I'm Executive Chef Amedeo Vallati at Lake Louise Ski Resort. This is our second edition of Cooking in the Alpine, and today we're going to be making California rolls. Okay, so what we're going to need first is 1 cup. Preferably you have to use a rice cup, so that's 180 milliliters of Japanese rice. We use homai rice here at the resort, but any Japanese rice will do. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to wash your rice first. So you're going to massage the rice. As you can see, as you're massaging it, the starch is starting to extract from the rice. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to let this rice, we're going to rinse it. And we're going to massage it again. And now once we're done the second round of massaging, we're going to let the rice sit for 30 minutes. Okay, so now it's been 30 minutes, so we're just going to strain the water out. So the ratio from rice to water is quite simple. So it's 1 to 1.0. So we have 180 ml of rice. We're going to add 180 ml of water plus 10 ml. So 190 ml. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the rice cooker and we're going to cook the rice. I'm just going to bring over our trusty rice cooker. And within 15 minutes, the rice will be ready. Okay, so now our rice is ready. And what I'm going to do is we have here a mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. And I'm going to just mix this in here. This gives it a very kind of a sweet flavor to it. You can see there. And now we're going to go over here to David, who's going to prepare all of our vegetables and show us how to roll the sushi. Okay, so he's now going to julienne the carrot and seed the cucumber and julienne the cucumber in preparation for our sushi. Keeping in mind you want to julienne very thin. Great, David. You're going to want to take the seeds out of the cucumber. And we're also going to need some avocado and some crab. It's part of the California roll. We have some nice log crab, preferably real crab. If real crab isn't in the picture, you can use imitation crab and we'll still get the same results. So now we're going to prepare to roll our sushi. So now David's going to show you how to prepare the bamboo roller, which is called a makisu in Japanese. We're going to wet it with a bit of water. This is woven bamboo with cotton. Now he's going to cover it with some saran wrap. The reason why he wet the bamboo was so that the saran wrap will stick to the bamboo as he rolls it. This will allow him to have a nice clean surface for when he rolls the sushi. Okay, so now he's gonna mix the crab mixture that goes into California roll. So we put a bit of crab in the bowl. We have some wonderful kupai mayonnaise, Japanese mayonnaise. Now you might ask, what makes this mayonnaise different? Well, it's got monosodium glutamine, which is a flavor enhancer, and it also has a little bit of apple vinegar in that mayonnaise, which is different from our traditional North American mayonnaise, giving it that wonderful taste. A little bit of salt. We like to use sea salt. Now he's gonna have that all mixed up and ready, and we're gonna move to rolling the actual sushi itself.
Okay, so we're gonna use the side inside down.
That's correct. Now you're gonna want to, as you'll see David do, he'll place rice all over the nori from edge to edge.
California roll gets the rice on the outside.
Correct, so the California roll is with the rice on the outside. Keeping your hands always wet. That way the rice won't stick while you press it down. Now he's going to fill it with his wonderful ingredients.
Alright, so we're going to dress it with a little bit of sesame. We toasted these ones before. Flip this rice. Don't worry, the rice should be like strong enough to stick to the paper.
There we go.
Pressure. We're gonna start from this side. I add a little bit more rice so my ingredients hold together.
Carrots, julienne before, cucumber, avocado, and then the best part is the crab.
So we're gonna position the sushi closer to the edge of the bamboo here. We're gonna create some sort of spiral effect so ingredients stay in the center. So I'm going to start, try to hold the ingredients there. Using your bamboo, try to push your ingredients right here. Okay. You can double check, see what your ingredients look like, and I just finish spinning it out.
See how we pulled the bamboo out and finished rolling it. Okay, so we're just gonna do one more roll so everybody gets a good idea on how to roll it. David?
Okay, again, toppings to one side of the roll, nice and close to the bamboo edge. Gonna hold them together. Get that edge of the bamboo stuck in there. Some pressure. Blow your bamboo and finish your spiral.
Now we have a California roll. Now the key to a good California roll is cutting it. Now, how are we gonna cut it so it doesn't fall apart?
Okay, so after this part, I usually finish the end bits, leave that much space, put some pressure here. One time, put some pressure there, so when you cut it, the ingredients don't come out.
And then you're gonna need a sharp knife and a wet knife.
Water, we're gonna go halves. Okay, clean your knife every time. More water. Half again.
So you cut the log into 4 before we cut it into 8.
Every time it gets too sticky, clean it.
Okay, so here we have it. We have the log, which has been cut into the California rolls. It's a great fresh meal. I do recommend that you eat it within 24 hours of making it. And looking forward to seeing you on our next episode. Thank you.